Good morning all. Today I will demonstrate you how to use WordPress to design your own website. WordPress में अपना वेबसाइट को बनाने के लिए हम लोग दो सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड करेंगे। सबसे पहले XMPP हम डाउनलोड करेंगे। Click on this link and here you can get XMPP software for various operating system, for Windows, for Linux, for OS. So depending upon your operating system, you have to download the corresponding XMPP software. So let me download this version. XMPP सॉफ्टवेयर को हम लोग यूज करते हैं लोकल होस्ट को क्रिएट करने के लिए। नेक्स्ट सॉफ्टवेयर वी विल डाउनलोड इट इज वर्डप्रेस। वर्डप्रेस में जो लेटेस्ट वर्जन है ये है हमारा वर्डप्रेस 6.4.1। सो वी विल डाउनलोड दिस वर्जन and you can see both of these downloads are going on. So hardly it will take few minutes. सो डाउनलोड हमारा फिनिश हो चुका है। इसके बाद सबसे पहले हम XMPP सॉफ्टवेयर को इंस्टॉल करेंगे अपना लोकेशन उसमें चूज करेंगे। मैंने इस सॉफ्टवेयर को अपने सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल कर चुका हूँ एंड आई हैव इंस्टॉल दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इन C drive. So in C drive you will get a folder name XAMPP. Okay. Next we have downloaded this WordPress. So WordPress, it is in the zip file. We will go to the download section and we will unzip this folder. We will select the option extract all. So it will take few seconds to finish this process. एक्सट्रैक्शन प्रोसेस हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया है। ये फोल्डर है वर्डप्रेस 6.4.1। इसके अंदर एक और वर्डप्रेस का फोल्डर है, इसे हम कॉपी करेंगे और जो हमारा XMPP का फोल्डर था इसे ओपन करेंगे। इसमें एक फोल्डर है htdocs। वी विल ओपन दिस फोल्डर एंड वी विल पेस्ट दिस सॉफ्टवेयर एंड वी विल पेस्ट दैट फोल्डर वर्डप्रेस फोल्डर इन दिस htdocs फोल्डर। तो htdocs फोल्डर में वर्डप्रेस को मैंने यहाँ पहले से कॉपी पेस्ट किया हुआ है। अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अपना वेब पेज बनाने का स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर। सबसे पहले XMPP सॉफ्टवेयर जो हमने इंस्टॉल किया है इसे हम ओपन करेंगे। XMPP सॉफ्टवेयर का इंटरफेस कुछ इस तरह से होता है। First two options, Apache and MySQL. We have to start these two options. You will get some number here and once you get the number it means your local host is ready to use. In the next step इस वर्डप्रेस फोल्डर को हम कॉपी करेंगे और इसी फोल्डर में इसे हम पेस्ट करेंगे। Once you uh, paste this folder, you will get a folder like this WordPress-copy. You have to rename it according to your website. So for example, you are making a food website, give name as food. If you are making a e-commerce website, give this folder name as e-commerce. So and if you are making a coaching institute, if you are making a website for a educational coaching institute, you can give this name as educational coaching institute and others. So for example, I am making a website for a food for a food restaurant. So I will rename this folder. I will rename this folder as food. So already in my folder I have created two website for food restaurant. One it is food, another name is food 2. So here I am giving the name food 3. Okay. So this part is completed. Now in the browser you have to open a window, and here you have to write localhost/php my admin. So you will get a window like this. Here you have to create a database. So click on this options database. You have to give the name of your database. So here I am giving the same name as that of the folder. So here I am giving 43. Next click the button create. Your database has been created. Next you have to open another window, and here you have to write localhost slash the folder name. And in my case the folder name was food 3. So here I am writing food 3. So now the installation of WordPress is will start, and this installation will perform in a local host. So first screen it is for the language selection. So here I am selecting the language English. Click on this continue button. In this window you have to click this option let's go. Then database name. So in database name you can observe I have created a database having the same name, that is food 3. So here I am giving the name food 3. Next username, here you have to type root. Password you have to leave blank, and finally you have to click this option submit. And next you have to click this option run the installation. Next it is asking about the site title. So here you can give the site title name as best food restaurant in Nachi. You can give the name like Indian food restaurant and many others. So for simplicity here I am writing the site title name like food restaurant. Username, here you have to give the username, and here I am giving the admin. Password, you can use any password. For simplicity I am typing here admin. Yes, this is a very weak password, because it doesn't have any capital letter, it doesn't have any numeric number, it doesn't have any special character. For that reason this password is very weak. So here I have to click the options. Yes, this is a very weak, and I'm confirm use of this weak password. Next here you have to type your email ID. For simplicity here I am giving my email ID like, okay, and then you have to click this option install WordPress. Next screen you have to do the login. In login it will ask you the username and password. So in my previous screen I have created a username having the name it is admin. The password I was created it was admin, and I have to do the login. Once I finish, this dashboard will open. Okay, सो ये डैशबोर्ड है जहाँ से हम अपना वेबसाइट का कंटेंट को, वेबसाइट का डिज़ाइन को, वेबसाइट का थीम को हम कंट्रोल करेंगे। करस्पॉन्डिंग वेबसाइट को अगर हमें विजिट करना है तो यहाँ हम टाइप करेंगे लोकल होस्ट स्लैश फूड 3। सॉरी, हियर आई हैव टू राइट लोकल होस्ट स्लैश फूड 3। सो देखो, among all these options first I have to click this option appearance, and then I have to click this option theme. So these are the some themes are available. You can increase by clicking the add new. So in the first you can see this is the by default theme, and in by default theme it is written like mind blown, a blog about philosophy. So that this default theme it is coming in my web page also, mind blown a blog about philosophy. हम वन बाय वन करके एक नया थीम अप्लाई करेंगे और उसका कंटेंट को हम मॉडिफाई करेंगे. So in theme, click on this options add new theme. Suppose you want to design a website for a food restaurant, so type here food restaurant. So it will show you various themes of food restaurant. Suppose you want to design a website for e-commerce, So automatically it will show you theme about e-commerce. You have to select any theme. You can choose any theme and you can edit its content. Similarly, if you want to design a educational coaching center, so it will show you themes related to educational coaching center. So since my objective was to design a food delivery or food restaurant, so since my objective is to design a food restaurant, so here I type food restaurant and so many themes are here. You can choose any of the themes. Let's go with this theme. Here the option install button is there. I will click on this install button. Installation is going on. Once this installation is finished, you have to click this options activate, right? So I will refresh this page and you will find that corresponding theme it is now applicable in my web page also. So now we will edit each of this content one by one. So click on this option customize, and in customize it will show you the options which options you want to change. So first it is site identity. Site identity it is showing food restaurant. You can write like this. For marketing purpose you can write like this: best food restaurant in Ranchi. Okay, you can use a tagline. You can use a tagline like home based food. After doing some changes you have to click these options publish, and again you have to visit your website and refresh it. You will find the corresponding content it is now updating in your website. The next options it is site icon. Site icon is very important, otherwise it will show you the default icon. So you can click on this option site icon. Let me download a food restaurant site icon. So there are many icons are available. You can choose any of it. So let me go with this. Now in this I have to select my file. My file it is present in the download folder, and in download folder food icon it is there. I will open and I will do select skip cropping. So now I have to publish it, and after publishing here you can see after publishing here you can see my icon has been changed. Next options it is you have to put some phone number and email ID. So here you have to type the phone number. So here I am giving my phone number and here I am giving my email ID. Click on this button publish. Okay, so these things has been published and you can refresh this page and you will find the phone number and email ID it is coming in your website. Next option it is the social section. Social section is very important if you are doing the digital marketing, and for digital marketing here some social media options like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and LinkedIn are present. In some other theme you will get other options also like YouTube you can get, like Pinterest you will get, Google Plus you may get. Okay, so among all these options let me put the content one by one. So in my Facebook In my Facebook, I have created a page for my YouTube channel. Let me copy this link and paste it in this Facebook and then publish. Let me close this Facebook page. I will refresh my website. So you can see an icon of Facebook is now coming into my website. Click on this. It will directly take you to my Facebook page. Okay. Similarly, you can put the link for your Twitter page. So I have my Twitter account. Click on this and this is the link of my Twitter page. Publish and then refresh your web page. So you will get a icon for your Twitter web page. Click on this and it will directly take you to my official Twitter page. Next options, it is YouTube. In YouTube I have my YouTube channel. So this is the link of my YouTube channel. Paste it here, then publish and refresh your web page. You will get a icon of YouTube. Click on this and it will directly take you to my official YouTube page. Next options, it is the LinkedIn. So in LinkedIn I am giving the link of my LinkedIn page also. Click on this publish and refresh this page. You will get a link for your LinkedIn page. Click on this and it will directly take you to my LinkedIn page. So in this manner, suppose you are making a restaurant in Ranchi, or you are making a website for a e-commerce, create the social media page also, create the social media page in Facebook, create the social media page in LinkedIn, in Twitter, in YouTube, and corresponding link you can put it here, and the corresponding social media icon will come into your website. Okay, social media marketing is very important tool to enhance your startups. Next options, it is home banner text. Next options, it is some footer section. You can go in footer section. You can write about the official address. You can write about the address like it is Mahatma Gandhi Road, Ranchi. Okay, you can give your pin code also. Let's suppose it I'm giving a pin code here. Okay, then publish it. You can give your contact number here. You can give other icons also. You can give. Just refresh this and at the bottom you will get the address of your restaurant. Here I am writing address. Now refresh it. So it is showing like address Mahatma Gandhi Road, Ranchi, and this pin code. Okay. Next options, it is you can change the header image also. Currently the header image is look like this. You can change the header image. You Google, you have to choose some header image. You can search, you will get some header image. So multiple header image are present, so you can use multiple images as present. You can use any of it. In practice you can use any of it. So let me go with this. uh, so let me go with this. Okay, so here you have to, if you want to hide this image, just click on these options and publish. So from the website this header image will be suppressed. Or else if you want to add an image, click on this upload file and select the corresponding file which is present in my download folder. Open it, go with these options, go with these options, uh, skip cropping, refresh, then you have to publish and refresh this page. Automatically the header image will change. Next next, so likewise the next options it is, you can select the background image also. So to understand the background image, first I will hide this image. So let me put this image in my background. So I will save this picture, and in this uh, next option in background image, I will select the image from the download folder. Okay, choose image. So now it is repeating everywhere. I will skip this repeating operation. Click on this icon repeat background image, and here you have to select the options fit to screen, or you can go with this option full screen. So accordingly you have to do the publish button and you have to refresh this page. So this background image is now coming into your website. Next I will control all these pages. Then next icon is widget. So click on this. Here you are getting this recent post, you are getting this recent comments which is showing in this website. So we will delete all this. So just click on this, click this, and then go with this option delete. Okay, I want to delete this also. So now the recent comment. So I don't want these kinds of blogging in my website, so I would delete all these. Archive also I do not want in my website, so I will delete. Category, if I don't want, I will delete it. Okay, so now this, delete all this content, delete all this content. And next I will delete this content also. Okay. And then publish. So from the website, all this blogging link, all this blogging portion will be removed. Okay. So next, I will just apply a header image which I have selected it earlier. Then publish. Okay. Next, I have to enter the menu. So next, we will edit the menu. So click on this menu, create new menu. So here I am giving the menu list name, let it is food items. Okay, click on next. Next it is item. So first item, let I want to add like a sample page. It is of type sample page. So sample page, I will click and I will edit this name like breakfast. Okay, next, first publish it. First publish it and visit the website. It will showing the options breakfast. You have to design separate page for it, and automatically that breakfast page will open whenever someone else will click this icon breakfast. Next one page. Next another page, another item I will add. It is also type like sample page, and here I will give a name like here I am giving a name like lunch. You can enable these options, open link in a new tab and then publish it. Now refresh it. Here you will get another icon that is lunch, and whenever someone else will click it, it will automatically open in a new page. Similarly, you can edit. Similarly, similarly, you can add another page. You can add another item. Let also it is having the type sample page. In sample page you will edit this name to, let's suppose it is snacks. Publish it, and one more item I am putting it like a sample page. The name it is I am using dinner. Okay, next, all these items has been published. All this item has been published, so automatically here I am giving the name. Okay, So in this manner you can design a website using WordPress. So with this I am stopping here. Next video we will meet with some different technology.